Hey guys, today we'll talking about the Java streams. So we will do some top 20 questions. So here we have the list of integers. We're going to give the even numbers out of it. So we are taking the integer modulo 2. If it is 0, then we'll return the list and we'll get the even number list. So you can see the result is all the even numbers. So now we need to find the maximum. So we have the list of integers. So we'll stream through it and we'll create a stream of the integer, and then it will be easy for us to use the max function. So here we use a max and then we'll collect the max and then we'll print off it. So you can see the max come is 10. So next one is the sum of elements. So we again have the list of integers. We need to give us a sum. So we'll again create a integer stream and then we'll use the sum function. So here we'll collect the sum in the integer and we'll print it out. So we can see 55 as the sum. Yes. So the next one is we have the list of the strings. We need to convert all the strings, all the words to the uppercase. So we'll stream through it and we'll use the string function which is to uppercase. So we are using here the method reference, and here we collect the list and we'll print it out. So we'll get all the words as all the strings as a uppercase. Next one is to sort the list. It is in this ascending order. So by default in the stream sorted will give the ascending order. So we'll use it. Now we'll collect it to the list and we'll print it. So here we can see now we are getting all the sorted order. Now next one is the count. So we need to give the count the number which are greater than 5. So we stream through the list of integers and we keep the filter. The integer is greater than 5. Now we give me the count how many numbers are greater than 5. So here we made a mistake that we are printing the list but we want just a count. So we'll use the count function. So we'll just remove the to list and we'll use the count, and when we collect the count and then we'll just print it. So here it will be 5 because 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is a greater. Now we need to give the distinct number. So we have the list of integers where we have multiple duplicates also. So now we stream through it and we use the distinct function and we collect the list and print it. So here we can see the distinct numbers are there. Yeah. Now we need to do the sum of the list of integers. So there is another way. We will do it with the reduce function. So we'll create a stream out of it and we'll use a reduce and use the identity at 0 and give the integer function which is sum. So here we are using again the method function method reference and we'll just print it. So it will again give the same result as 55. Now we need to find any string which starts with a C. So here we need to get the any strings. So we'll use the find any. So first we'll filter it out that if any string it starts with C, then dot find any. So okay, yeah, find any and we'll get it in the string. So it will give the optional of string. So we can do two ways. Directly we can print it, so it will be optional. So C dot if present also we can do. So now we need to give the first letter, first name. So if we have the full name, so we need to give only the first name. So we have the list of strings. So we need to do the split based on the space and we need the first one. So we'll use the first index and we just get it in the list. So we use to list and we'll get the list and then print it. Yeah, here we get all the first name. Alice, Bob, Charlie. Now we need to use the all match. So we need to check the numbers in the list. If all are the positive, give me true, otherwise give me false. So we have the list, so we'll stream through it and we'll filter it. No need to filter. We need to use all match. Here itself we need to give the predicate. So our predicate condition is going to be the integer. If all integers are greater than 0, then give me what it is. So we'll take it in the all match and we'll just print it. So it should give us true. Yeah, here it is. Now we need to do the same thing for the none match. It is also gives the predicate. So here we need to check for the negative condition. So none match, we'll write the condition here that integer should be less than 0. For the negative condition, we'll check. Here it is true. Yeah. So now we need to find the first. So we need to find any number which is greater than 7 and give me the any first number. So here we can say 10 is going to be the first number which is greater than 7. So we write the filter condition. If integer is greater than 7, then find first. So 10 is going to be our answer. We'll just get the integer. So here we're using the if present thing and we are using the system.out method reference and printing it. So here we will get it as a 10. Okay, so now we need to flatten the map. So we have the list of lists. First list is having 1 2 and second list is having 3 4 5. So here we use the flat map. We use the list the stream method reference again here to flatten up. So here we can see 1 2 3 4 5 in the single list. Now next one is the typical one where we need to group by the age. So we have the user object already here. So here we can see we have the name and age. So we need to group by the age. So we'll start writing the code. So we'll stream through it. We collect it. So collectors dot grouping by. Here we use the user dot colon get age. So based on the now the get age become our key and full object will becomes as a value. Now we'll print it. So we can see on the 25 age group Alice and Charlie and the 30 age group Bob. Next one is a peak. Actually it is for like if we it is just like a consumer. If we want to do some processing without altering the stream, so we use this. So right now what we'll do, we'll just print the double of the whatever the integers are there, and then we'll get it into the list and we'll check it. We'll show. So we can do any processing, but stream will not be intact. So let's run this. See, we can see the multiplied by 2 and below is the actual stream. Now let's look into the limit. So what if we want to get only the first 3 numbers? So in this list of integer, so we use the limit function. So here we can give as a 3. So to list and we'll just print it. So we'll get only the first 3, 1 2 3. So let's run it and check. So here we can see only 3 are coming. Yeah, let me comment this 1 2 3. So what if I need to skip the element? So I just want 30 40 50 60, not the 10 and 20. So I will use a skip function. I'll skip first 2 and then we'll just print it. Let's see, it will print only 30 40 50 60. Yeah, here it is. So now list is given. Now I need to convert it to the set. So we'll use a normal basic collection collectors dot to set method. So here we collect it, and yeah, printing is not needed, but yeah, let's print it. Now the next one is the summarization statistics. It is very important one. So it will provide the all the statistics for this particular given stream. So we'll first create the integer stream and then we'll use a summary statistics. So now we'll just print it. Here we can see all the things. So here we'll get count, sum, min, average and max. So yeah, that is it for this today's video. Thank you so much.